Slack versus Lark, team collaboration platforms. Choosing the right tool can transform your team's communication and productivity without overwhelming complexity. Slack offers a mature ecosystem while Lark combines collaboration with integrated office tools. Slack and Lark are both powerful team collaboration platforms, but their core difference lies in focus. Slack excels as a messaging and integration hub, while Lark combines messaging with built-in office apps like documents, spreadsheets, and video conferencing. Slack is a leading communication platform designed to streamline team messaging and workflows. It works by organizing conversations into channels, direct messages, and threads, allowing teams to stay focused and reduce email overload. Slack integrates seamlessly with thousands of third-party apps, from Google Drive to Trello, enhancing productivity by centralizing tools in one place. Its strengths include a robust notification system, extensive app marketplace, and powerful search capabilities. However, Slack's reliance on external apps for document editing or video calls can lead to fragmented workflows. Pricing can also become higher for larger teams needing advanced features. Ideal users are teams prioritizing flexible communication, heavy app integrations, and those already using specialized tools who want a centralized messaging platform without switching to a full Office suite. Lark is an all-in-one collaboration platform that combines messaging, video conferencing, calendar, cloud storage, and native Office apps like documents and spreadsheets. It works by integrating these features into a single interface, allowing teams to collaborate without switching between multiple tools. Lark's strengths lie in its unified approach, reducing friction between communication and content creation. Its built-in video meetings and calendar sync help streamline scheduling and remote collaboration. Limitations include a smaller app ecosystem compared to Slack and a learning curve for teams new to integrated platforms. Lark is ideal for organizations seeking a comprehensive collaboration solution that merges communication with productivity tools, especially for remote or hybrid teams wanting to reduce app overload and simplify workflows. Slack and Lark serve different collaboration needs. Slack shines in environments where teams rely on diverse third-party apps and require flexible messaging channels. For example, software development teams benefit from Slack's integrations with GitHub and Jira. Lark, on the other hand, suits teams looking for a one-stop platform with built-in Office apps and video conferencing, like startups or small businesses aiming to minimize tool switching. Slack's modularity offers customization but can fragment workflows, while Lark's integrated suite simplifies collaboration but may lack some specialized app options. Cost-wise, Slack can be pricier as teams scale, whereas Lark offers competitive pricing with included productivity features. Choosing between them depends on whether your team values extensive integrations or an all-in-one unified workspace. Choose Slack if your team needs a flexible, highly integrative messaging platform and already uses multiple specialized tools that require seamless connection. Opt for Lark if you want an all-in-one collaboration suite combining messaging, video, and Office apps in one platform. It's ideal for teams seeking simplicity and unified workflows without juggling multiple apps. Both platforms excel, so match your choice to your team's specific